It was a lovely hot summer's day on the island of Sodor. All the engines were busy working on the Fat Controller's railway. All of a sudden, Harold the helicopter landed on top of Tidmouth Sheds. "I heard that there was a giant coming. Everybody better run and hide." "Nonsense," said the Fat Controller. "You must be seeing things. There is no such things as giants." "But there is. I saw him. He's on his way. He's huge. Everybody better run for cover." "Come in." "Oh my God, he's right. There is a giant. It's a huge human being. Everybody run for cover. There's a giant coming, and I think he's going to stand on us all. Look, his foot's on the tracks. Jesus, this is terrible. Call the police. He's wrecking the place. Are you all right, Harold? Oh my God, this is terrible. It's a disaster. No, me lovely Tidmouth Sheds. Me lovely engines. Jesus, what's it going to do? The place is destroyed. Oh no, we'll have to come back next week and see what happens. The end.